Here's one that's gonna blow your mind. Did you know that sewing machine needles are kind of like your style wingman? They are here to help you rock that confident tailored look that you're after. Bro, we ain't just stitching here, we are elevating your style game. I'm SD, I don't like long intros though, let's do this. Wingman number 1, the universal needle. It's like a versatile tool, a jack of all trades. It can do a lot of different jobs within the DIY tailoring community. It's gonna be your go-to when you're working with things like cotton or polyester or cotton poly blends, things along those lines. It's like an all-terrain vehicle or the Diplomat of sewing machine needles. It can do kind of all the things, like all of the things. There have been a lot of times when I've been so into my project, I've been, no pun intended, such a stupid pun, so into my project that I don't even think about changing my needle in between garments. If I'm tailoring, let's say I'm going on a binge and I'm tailoring some t-shirts and then I need to switch to my denim jeans, we need to switch to a denim needle. I don't even think about it. I'll just keep going and I'm like, oh crap, I forgot to change my needle. Oh, okay. Everything actually worked out okay, sweet. So it really can do all of the things. And say hello to wingman number 2. This is your denim needle that we were just talking about. It's like the heavyweight champ of the needle world, if there was such a thing. This is gonna be your go-to when you are dealing with thicker materials, like we just said, denim. Also canvas, corduroy, leather. Now hang on. Let's chat about a little bit of a sewing needle mix-up that people will run into, especially beginners. You are all set to tailor some denim jeans and you think to yourself, oh, I don't know what this needle is. Let's see, it says ballpoint on the package. Whatever, I'm just gonna dive in and I'm gonna give it a shot. Let's go. Well, that's like gearing up for a basketball game with a soccer ball. Each and every single individual sewing machine needle, it's got its own little superpower or its own little job. Just like every single tool in your toolbox has its own specific jobs. You're not gonna use, I don't know, let's say you're not gonna use a screwdriver to hammer in a nail. Can you get the job done? Yeah, kind of. Is it gonna be easy? No. Is it gonna look good in the end? No. Are you gonna hit it with just like the head of the screwdriver on the very edge so it's gonna roll and then you're gonna like hit your hand? I don't know, you hit your hand, I guess? That makes sense to me. Using the wrong needle can lead to some really big problems. You're gonna have a janky stitch. You can end up with loose stitches or skip stitches, i.e. everybody's gonna know that you did it yourself, which isn't a bad thing, but it's easy to avoid that look too. As well as your garment not necessarily lying properly on your body, you're not gonna get the right fit that you want. You're gonna have puckering stitches and puckering seams here and there. Everything's just gonna look a bit wonky. And also, little did you know, you could end up disrupting the tension between your needle and your thread. And that could end up causing things like knots or loops on the outside of your stitch, which again, you can't unsee and everybody else is gonna see too. So before you go out and you tailor that banging outfit for that first date that you're going on, just tread carefully, go slow, you got this. We are gonna make it and we're gonna set you up for that second date, bro. Whoa, let's go. Speaking of tailoring your outfit before you go on that first date, there's one more thing you wanna do. It's in the next video. It's all gonna make sense when you get over there, trust me. I'll see you over there. SD out, deuces.